Hi, everybody. It's so good to see you again. Miss McLean here, getting ready to teach you a new and fun subtraction game. This game is called Empty the Box. What's it called? That's right, Empty the Box. All you need to have for this game is a 10 frame, a dice with numbers 1 through 6. It could be any dice that you find from any game. And then 10 small things. You can choose a rock. I have these green little foam things. You can use coins. You can use whatever small thing that you have 10 of at your house. If you don't have a 10 frame, that's okay. I'm going to teach you how to make one. Pretend that this is a piece of paper. Put your piece of paper down and get out a measuring tape. We're going to measure 10 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And clamp it shut. Boop. I'm going to put this right on top of my piece of paper. Then I'm going to draw a line from the beginning of the ruler to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Now, the tricky part is I'm going to put a line, make a little small line coming down from every 2 inches. So on 2, I put a line. On 4, I put a line. On 6, I put a line. On 8, I put a line, and on 10, I put a line. I also have to put a line where I start. So now, it should look like this. What we need to do now is to finish our rectangle out. So, I'm going to draw it down by the sides, down by the other side, over, and then coming from each little line, extend them from the top to the bottom. And once I'm finished that, I'm going to draw a line in the middle. Dun, 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 dun. And there you have it, a 10 frame at home. A 10 frame will always have 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom, and 10 all together. Now to the game. Let me erase my 10 frame here. And I'm going to use my game piece right here. So to play Empty the Box, which is a great subtraction game, you need to put 10 objects on your game piece. Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now's the fun part. You can play this game with 1, 2, 3, even 5 players. Here's what we do. We have our 10 frame. We're going to take our dice and player 1 is going to roll. I rolled a 6. So let's see. I have 10 on my board. I'm going to show that in a number sentence. 10. And I'm going to play a subtraction game where I'm going to take things away. So whenever I subtract, I use the minus symbol. I have 10 and I'm going to be taking 6 away. Let's see how many are left. Taking 6 away. 10, take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 left on my board. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now it's the next player's turn. Are you ready, next player? Sure I am. Player 2's going to roll. Ready? They rolled a 2. Look how many pieces we have on our board. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all the amount or the total amount I have on my board. So I'm going to put that number first. 4. And since I rolled a 2, I'm going to take 2 away. 4 minus 2, 1, 2, equals 2. And now it's player 1's turn. You ready, player 1? I'm ready. Here we go for player 1. We roll and I rolled a 4. Uh-oh. I don't have enough to take away. So guess what? It's player 2's turn. Ready? Player 2? Ready? Player 2 rolls. They rolled a 2. Let's see what happens. I have 2 here. So I'm going to put that first because that's my whole. It's the amount I'm taking from. And I'm going to take away 2, the amount of my dice. So 2 minus 2 equals, let's see, 2, and I take 1, 2 away, equals 0. Player 2 wins because they are the one that emptied the box. Good job, player 2. Nice job, player 1. Empty the Box is a great game to work on subtraction skills, and you can play it anytime with anything. Have a great day. See you later.